Hi, God. Thanks for the shine. Hello, people. I'm one of the people, okay? So let's go ahead and knock this notice out real quick. All right, so check this out. This is to all public servants. Remember what a public servant is. A public servant is any political entity, any corporate entity, or any business entity that falls under the jurisdiction of the state's constitutions, okay? Period. The end, all right? So check this out. Witness, we got that witness. What is a witness? A witness is any man or any woman that hears us laying down these words, man. You put them together, they're called the people, all right? So the people are the witness, all right? Check this out. Public notice of the people's inherent rights, all right? Notice to agent is notice to principal, and notice to principal is notice to agent, all right? Let's go. I, one of the people of God, that's me in the 50 American states, that's me again, as seen in Genesis 1:2-6, KJV, and Article 2, Section 1 of the California State Constitution, Republican in form, sui juris, am serving you with this notice so that you and your agents may provide immediate due care, okay? We love you. Remember that. Please take notice that the people have a duty and obligation to preserve the blessings and liberty of good government, all right? See evidence below. Then we got that Maxim of Law, 51Q. Q is in question, a frequent recurrence to fundamental principles and a firm adherence to justice, virtue, and original law are indispensably necessary to preserve the blessings of liberty and good government. All right, remember that, okay? Check this out. Please take notice that the people's public servants are bound to serve the people's trust indentured contract agreement. All right, let's read that one more time. Please take notice that the people's public servants are bound to serve the people's trust indentured contract agreement. All right, see evidence below. Then we got that Maxim of Law, 84A. A is an alpha. There is no stronger link or bond between men than an oath, man. Remember that, okay? Check this out. Oath to be taken before a notary or other authorized administering officer, okay? Check these words out right here. It says, I, A.B., whatever your name may be, do solemnly swear or affirm that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of California, or whatever state you're in, against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of California, or whatever state you're in, that I take this obligation freely without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion, and that I will well and faithfully discharge the duties upon which I am about to enter. Okay, remember that. Check out this keyword. Oath is promise, forward, mission, send, throw. Okay, so you threw these words out there and we got them now. Okay, so check this out right here. Here goes that California Constitution, Article XX for 20, Section 3, text of Section 3. Members of the legislature and all public officers and employees, executive, legislative, and judicial, except such inferior officers and employees as may be by law exempted, shall, before they enter upon the duties of their respective offices, take and subscribe the following oath or affirmation. And then you just look at that oath above, okay? See, we have C, oath above, okay? Check this out. Please take notice that all political power is inherent in the people. See evidence below. Man, we love these words, okay? Then we got that California Constitution, Article II for 2, Section 1, text of Section 1. It says all political power, remember that, is inherent in the people. Key word there. Government is instituted for their protection, security, and benefit, and they, meaning the people, have the right to alter or reform it when the public good may require. Okay, remember that, all right? Here we go with some key words now. People is men and women, nation, body of citizens, Populonia, Juno, she who protects. And then we got that army, okay? So remember, the people, that's God's army, man. Period, the end, okay? Now check this out. Person is not a people, right? Person is an individual, a human being, a mask, a false face, right? From PHERSU, which is Fersu for mask, right? Remember, a person is not a people and a people is not a person, but the people create persons, okay? And the people control the persons. That's what's up. All right, check this out. Please take notice that it is a crime to deprive the people of rights under the color of law, okay? See evidence below. And then we got that Maxim of Law, 92AA for alpha alpha. The deprivation of any rights may be punished, okay? Period, the end, all right? Then we got Title 18 USC Section 242. This is that lawyer talk right here. It says, whoever, under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom, willfully subjects any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws under the United States shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year or both, and if bodily injury results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include the use, attempted use, or threatened use of a dangerous weapon, explosives, or fire, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 10 years. Remember, we're going to stretch it out. Or both. And if death results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include kidnapping or an attempt to kidnap, aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to commit aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to kill, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned for any term of years or for life, or both, or may be sentenced to death, man. Remember that, man. We'll make you go bye-bye if you deprive the people of their rights under the color of law. Remember, this notice is sent to you in peace and with the love of Christ, thank you, Jesus, so that you may provide due care to those who have all political power. The people, remember that, all right? And then we got that we the people, we love you, and we wish for you to do good, man. Seriously, we want you to shine, public servants, okay? And then we got Alec, that's me, man of God, that's what I do, right? And then servant of Christ, that's who I follow. And then we got that date, and then we got by God, we serve with love, okay? Thank you, Jesus, man. All right, so we read that public notice, so let's go ahead and hop on our next bit, man. We love this one too. Okay, here goes God's love story. It says, woe to Pharisees and experts in the law. Remember that, okay? Luke 11:52. That's that knowledge. King James Version, okay? So we got Maxim of God, 52. Woe unto you lawyers, man. You see that highlight? That's for real, okay? For ye have taken away the key of knowledge, okay? Thank you, Jesus, for giving us the knowledge back, right? Ye entered not in yourselves, and them that were entering in ye hindered, okay? So you hindered the people by taking away the knowledge, man. So check this out. Woe, why? These are key words. Woe, why is misery, suffering. That's not going to happen anymore, man, because by God, with Jesus, now we got that knowledge, okay? Now check out lawyer. Lawyer is interpreter of Mosaic law. Fun fact, all law comes from the Bible, period, the end, okay? Then you got that sage, then you got that wise man, then you got advisor, then you got counselor. Legh, that's where law comes from, means to lie down, lay. So we're laying down the law for you right now so you can see the words, okay? Check out key. Key is ki. That means to cleave, split, done, man. That's a tool. Okay, knowledge. Knowledge, no, is gno. It means to understand. Perceive, okay? So when you get your knowledge back, you're getting your vision back, man. Now you got your eyes back, man. Now you know what's up, okay? Enter. Enter is between, among, in, okay? And then you got hinder or hinder, right, which means to harm. That's a no-no. Injure. That's a no-no. Hinder means back or rear end, okay? So that's why we're always telling you, we don't need you to have our back. We don't need you to have our six because God's got us covered, man. And that's what's up, okay? So that's that God's love story, man. So now, lawyers, we're here to love you and we're here to show you the key of knowledge now, okay? Because you guys had it taken away from you too, all right? So let's go ahead and hop on our last bit right here. We love this bit right here, man. This is our one mission for now and on forever, is to protect the children for now and on forever, man. That's our Christ mission, okay? Now check out these words, right? We got foundation, facts, okay? Order of God's world, go. God created everything. Remember this, okay? Jesus Christ is God who died for all people's sins. Remember this, okay? Thank you, Jesus, man. You know, God created man, woman, child, people. Remember this, okay? And then God gave man dominion over all the earth. Remember this, okay? Man, woman, child, the people are boss. Remember this, okay? That's that duty and that's that obligation, right? And then the people create constitutions, plural, okay? Remember this, okay? Now we're done. So we're done, right? We're done with this public notice. So now you know what your oath is, and now you know what your words are, and now you know that that's that contract that you have with we the people, all right? And that's that notice to all public servants, okay? So if you're a political entity, we got your oath, man. You fall under the jurisdiction of the constitutions of whatever state you're in. We got your words now, man. I was getting tongue-tied right there, but, to all public servants, okay, remember that. You've been notified. This is your knowledge. We're done, okay? To all business entities, this is your notice. This is your knowledge. You've been notified. We're done, okay? And to all corporate entities, right? This is your notice. This is your knowledge. You've been notified. And we're done, man. And, we just want to be in love now, okay? So we're going to put this together. We're going to upload it, and we're going to see how it flows, man. Remember, nobody's having more fun than us. Bye.